Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to do the unboxing of Poco M4 Pro 5G smartphone. This is the latest smartphone by Poco, so now quickly open it up. So here in top we get the small box of Poco in yellow color. So if we see inside it, so here we get the SIM ejector pin, and see here some reading manuals, and here we get the transparent back case. So this is the transparent back case. Okay. And guys, here's the font itself. You can see it is in cool blue color. The power black and Poco yellow color is also available. Okay, let's keep this aside and see what else we get inside the box. So here we get the USB type C to USB 2.0 cable, and this is the 33-watt fast charger you get in the box. This is the 33-watt pro fast charging for your phone. This is a 33-watt fast charger you get in the box. Okay, that's all we get. Now keep this aside and come to the phone. So here's the phone itself. Now remove its plastic cover. So here's the phone itself. If we talk about the design, so you can see it has classic Poco design. You can see with matte finish, as you can see. You can see Poco designed by Poco, and here's the branding of 5G. Okay, if we talk about its physical overview, guys, here it has dual speakers. Yes, it has dual speakers. So the first speaker is over there, and this is the secondary microphone, and this is the IR blaster. And here you can see here's the dual stereo speaker. Second speaker is here, and this is the USB Type-C port, main microphone, and 3.5 mm headphone jack. And here we get the side mount volume up and down key and a side mounted fingerprint with a power on off key. And here we get the SIM tray. So now quickly eject it. So it has hybrid SIM slot. You can insert 2 nano SIM or 1 nano SIM or 1 micro SD card. Okay. And on back it has dual rear camera setup, 50 megapixel and 8 megapixel ultra wide camera with LED flash. And here you can see AI over there. And on front it has 6.6 inches full HD plus 90 Hz dynamic switch display with 16 megapixel camera over there on top. Okay, so now quickly boot this up and set up the device. So here I have set up the device, and this is the main screen of Poco M4 Pro 5G smartphone. If we slide from bottom, here we get the app drawer, and if we slide from top, here we get the notification center, the helpful quick settings, and brightness adjustment is available over there. And here you can see, here we get the shortcuts, news, advanced tools, and many more things. So now if we go in settings, about phone, so you can see it is running on MIUI version 12.5.8 stable. And if we talk about the storage, it is using 18.5 GB out of 64 GB. And if we talk about the MIUI version for Poco, you can see 12.5.8 stable. And Android version is Android version 11. It is running on Android 11. And here we can see the all specifications. As you can see, 4 plus 1 GB. Here you can see that 1 GB. You can also extend the RAM extension is also available over there. Okay, now go back. Okay guys, if we talk about the UI of the smartphone, it is running really smooth. It has 90 Hz Ultra Smooth Display, as you can see. So now quickly check the 90 Hz Ultra Smooth Display performance. As you can see, the performance is really good. It is running really smooth, as you can see. Yep guys, it is running really smooth. And after it, if we talk about its camera, so here are some shots I took with this smartphone in different lighting conditions with different modes. After it, if we talk about its dual speakers, so quickly check the performance of it. Play some music. Yep guys, dual speaker performance is really good. Okay, now after it, if we talk about its security, so quickly check this out. It has side mounted fingerprint and face unlock performance. So quickly check the performance of it. If we talk about the side mounted fingerprint, I put finger and it unlock. You can see I put and it quickly unlock. Here you can see it quickly unlock the device. Here you can see. Try 2 to 3 times more in many different ways. So as you can see, it is really fast and responsive. And if we talk about its face unlock performance, I'm not seeing, I see, and it quickly unlock the phone. I'm not seeing, I see, and it quickly unlock the device. I'm not seeing, I see, and it quickly unlock the device. So both side mounted fingerprint and face unlock performance both are really fast and responsive. So guys, this is the unboxing of Poco M4 Pro 5G smartphone. Guys, if you have any particular question about this device, let me know in comment section below. Please like, share, subscribe and click on bell icon for the latest updates.